Walk us through the market reaction and what it means for prices in the at least short to medium term.
Hi. Yes, obviously yesterday was an incredibly volatile day with prices surging 40% in Europe, 60% in total over a two-day period. And then obviously after President Putin's comments, those prices came down again immediately. Obviously, as Russia sought to, sort of alleviate market fears of supply tightness. And then this morning, obviously, the slump has sort of continued somewhat. U.S. natural gas futures have extended losses, and that was after a 10% drop. In the UK, prices are currently down about 18% this morning. So obviously, Russia's comments have had an immediate impact. But obviously the situation remains that European storage levels are at a decade low, where it's had, obviously, as we know, a knock-on impact on other energy markets. And so we're still in a very tricky spot.
Mm. And Helen, thinking about what Russia is offering here, would the Russian offer, whether it comes, and it looks as if it would come via Ukraine, if timing is important, because certainly Nord Stream 2 might take some time to open up, but would what Russia is offering, would it be enough to shore up the European supply over the winter, or do we not know enough about how much more than their contractual obligations they're willing to send?
I think at this point we just don't really know enough. We know Russia has said that they're prepared to export record volumes of gas this year. Volumes slumped a little in September, I believe. But as I said, I mean, this is not just now a gas crunch. This is a global energy crunch. And, as I've mentioned, it's had a knock-on impact on other markets. And obviously, the other thing that's happening as well with Russia is that its domestic gas demand, we now know, basically is higher than it has been previously. So Russia's immediate priority is essentially going to be catering for its own domestic demand before it looks at exporting volumes elsewhere.